In this video, I'll show you how to install IPA file on iPhone. But before we get started, what is an IPA file? An IPA file, also known as iOS App Store package, is the file format used to install apps on iPhones and iPads. It's like an executable file for Windows or APK for Android. But Apple restricts direct installation for security reasons. So to be able to install IPA file, go ahead and open your App Store. And then on your App Store, look for Test Flight. So this tool will allow you to get an invite link from the developer. So tap the link, open in Test Flight, and then install the app. This is a fully Apple approved, secure, and ideal for beta testing. So if you have an iOS app store package, also known as IPA file, you can go ahead and install that through Test Flight. And that is how you can basically install IPA file on iPhone through this very safe method, also known as Test Flight.